golden head, my wiggly puppy friend just out of bed. Warm brown eyes and a wet nose so pink. Good morning, sweet pup, is what I think. Hey, hey, hey! Trot, 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 where my little feet go. Hey, yeah. Your puppy paws follow me fast and slow. Hey, yeah. Click, clack, click on the kitchen floor. Hey, yeah. My fuzzy shadow right by the door.
Fetch, fetch, fetch the red ball I throw. Yeah. Zooming through grass where the dandelions grow. Yeah. You bring it back with a pant, 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 dropping it close. Good boy,
I chant. Hey. Snug, snug, snug when the rain falls down. We share my blue blanket in PJs and frown. Your cold nose pokes my elbow, boop. Giggles fill out our secret group.
share, share, share my peanut bread snack. You take small nibbles, crunch, crunch, crack.
Crumbs on your whiskers, a head tilt. Why?
Because you're my best friend.
I sigh. Dream, dream, dream as the night light glows. You guard my bed from your soft pillow pose. One paw on my hand,
Safe and deep.
love you, my puppy, I whisper to sleep.
Moonbeams dance round our twosome true. Good night, best friends.